The magic fish that changes destiny isn't real. Your decision is. An ordinary boy catches a magical fish, and his destiny changes forever. Wow! What a story, right? The moment we hear stories like this, something awakens inside us. We begin to imagine, what if something magical happened to me? What if I found something that could instantly solve all my problems? But think about it for a moment. If a magical fish appeared before you today and said, "I can change your destiny," could it really give you more than what Allah has already given you? Allah has given you a mind to think, Allah has given you health, Allah has given you time. Allah has given you the power of dua, and most importantly, Allah has given you another day, another chance, another beginning. My friends, the greatest story in the world is not about a poor boy who became rich through magic. The greatest story is about a person who puts his trust in Allah and transforms himself. A person who one day decides, I will stop wasting my life. I will stop only dreaming and start working for those dreams. Islam does not teach us to sit and wait for miracles. Islam teaches us effort. Islam teaches us dua. Islam teaches us action. That if you want to become a doctor, make dua, but also study. If you want to succeed in business, ask Allah for help, but also work with honesty and dedication. If you want to change your family's future, cry before Allah in Tahajjud, but spend your days with excellence. This is the path of a believer. Not only dua, not only hard work, but dua and hard work together. Today, many people say, my destiny is bad. But often, we forget the incredible gifts Allah has already placed within us. Your destiny may not change overnight, but one decision today can change the direction of your entire life. Point 1 Prayer today. Point 1 Sincere repentance today. Point 1 Page of learning today. Point 1 New skill today. Point 1 Heartfelt dua today. These small actions become tomorrow's great achievements. And remember, waking up on time every morning, learning something new every day, being consistent with your prayers, working daily toward your goals. These are not separate activities, these are your daily duas in action. People call it discipline, but in reality, discipline is a silent prayer for the future you hope to build, and prayers are never wasted. Every day of discipline is like a dua that is destined to be accepted one day. You may not see the results today, you may not see them tomorrow. But when consistency, effort, and trust in Allah come together, those small daily actions eventually become extraordinary success. Remember, Allah provides for the birds, but their provision does not fly into their nests. Every morning they leave their nests, search, strive, and then Allah provides for them. Likewise, a believer trusts Allah, but does not sit idle. He rises. He learns. He works, and he hopes in Allah. So if you truly want to change your destiny, stop waiting for a magical fish, stop waiting for a miraculous treasure. Recognize the power Allah has already placed within you, strengthen your connection with your Lord, work for your dreams, and believe with certainty. When Allah's mercy meets human effort, destinies are written that leave the world amazed. The greatest miracle in your life will not be magic. It will be the day you decide to trust Allah and take responsibility for changing your life, because the magic fish that changes destiny does not exist outside of you. It exists in the form of faith, dua, discipline, and consistent effort that Allah has already placed within you.